Taking us to 24 minutes to the top of the year on the power of love. Have you ever experienced the power of love, Mr. Kai?
Yes.
How?
Since 1979.
You have been experiencing the power of love.
Very experienced.
Do love have power? Tell me.
But these days there is no love.
There's no love. Oh, people love each other.
When you remember the love of 1968, when I started to become on earth,
But Papa?
I saw my mother showing my father love.
Your mother used to show your father love.
Hey!
Hey! Huh?
When my father comes, my father putting me down. And go to giving my father hug. Me, I'm there, them crying. But my mother don't mind. He's there looking for my father. I crying.
You remember
after 2 hours, my mother back to me. But these days,
after preparing
these days,
they have the habit of putting the baby between.
In finish to dancing squeeze. And then they come to the love as of today. No love here, no love.
People have love. No, people don't have love.
What love is that?
People know how to love, my friend. Don't say that. Yeah. Now, thank you very much. So, students are still at home.
Yes, students
they wait for this moment because they want to learn.
I have got yesterday. I get so many calls. They calling me.
Okay.
Thank you very much for
the work you're doing.
Helping is helping our children.
Really?
Which is in Gundi Bakaground at home. Yes.
Now, children are at home. They want to study.
But I hate the parents. If you say your children is praying, this moment is going, it's starting, and you look mpwangali.
This is not good.
Like a dog slowing metal.
They should call
call the children. Say, you children,
yes,
young boys and young girls,
yes,
come quickly. The teacher is going to start teaching.
Okay,
that's what I want.
Mr. Kai, what is social studies?
Social studies.
Because the students are listening to you.
Yes.
What is social studies?
You ask me a very good question, and I'm going to answer you. The social studies is when you become early in the morning, you wake up in your bed. You go somewhere. You can go to, if you are in this village, you go to another village. But when you go to another village, you meet some chief of that area.
What are you explaining?
I'm coming for your question.
What is social studies?
Asking me what is social studies?
I want you to start with social studies.
That is what I get. Social studies is the way you come early, wake up. When you wake up early in the morning,
you are teaching the students.
You put your clothes, you go somewhere. The way you go, you will get somebody. When you get somebody, it's going to ask you, what is where did you grow?
What is
when that somebody asking you where did you grow, you explain where. You back at the social studies. Don't go.
That is social studies.
What you are born in, and you tell him, I'm growing with starting in Chimanya, 1960 or 1982. That is social studies.
That is social
you
studies.
Explain the backwards of things and become a you explaining it now. You remember the wrong ego.
Kayibanda.
Sir? That is it.
Kayibanda.
The social studies, you know, it's not the social studies.
I thought about to government.
No, those
is the study of man and his surroundings.
Those are the liars. I'm telling you.
Social studies, the study of man and his surroundings.
No. What surroundings?
Hello.